In this video, I'll guide you through how to design a custom invoice template in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start tailoring your invoices to match your brand and your business needs. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. In the address bar, type in the Zoho Books URL and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the right organization or company profile within Zoho Books, especially if you manage multiple businesses. The template you edit will apply only to the organization you're currently viewing, so it's worth double checking that at the top of the screen before moving on. Once you're in Zoho Books, look towards the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. This icon is where all your settings live. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. This is the main control center where you can adjust everything from taxes and currencies to templates and automation, so it's helpful to get comfortable navigating here. After the settings panel opens, you'll see a variety of options and categories. Rather than scrolling around to find what you need, use the search bar within the settings area, click in the search field and type PDF templates. This search feature is especially useful if you're new to Zoho Books or if the layout changes slightly over time, since it helps you quickly jump to the exact setting you're looking for. As you type, you should see PDF templates appear as a result in the list below the search bar. When you see it, click on PDF templates. This will take you to the section where Zoho Books manages all the layouts used to generate PDF versions of your documents, including invoices, estimates, and more. In this case, we're focused on invoices, but the same area is where you'd customize other document types as well. On the PDF templates page, locate the invoice templates section. You'll see a list or gallery of available invoice designs, including the default Zoho layouts and any custom templates you may have created earlier. Each template will usually have options to set it as default, preview it, or edit it. Find the specific invoice template you want to customize. If you're just starting out, this will likely be the default template currently in use for your invoices. Once you've found the template you want to modify, look for the Edit option associated with that template and click it. This opens the template editor, where you can adjust things like logo placement, fonts, colors, column visibility, and the information that appears on your invoices. From here, you can experiment with different layouts and settings, remembering to save your changes regularly. A good tip is to download or preview a sample invoice after editing, so you can see exactly how your changes will appear to your customers. That's all you need to do to get to the point where you can start designing and refining your Zoho Books invoice custom template. By navigating to the Zoho Books website, opening the settings from the gear icon, searching for PDF templates, selecting the PDF templates section, and then editing your chosen invoice template, you're now ready to make your invoices look professional and on brand.